So nice to see the curlers giving back to the Sandra Schmirler Foundation. You remember the Women of Curling calendar? All the participants in that calendar, including Emma Miskew, had a charity of theirs to pick, and she selected the Sandra Schmirler Foundation. And in the money she raised through her sales of that calendar, presented a check of $8,000 and is expecting to donate even more to the foundation. So thank you very much, Emma Miskew of Team Holman.
It's incredible. These players do a lot, and then to do that, to give back